Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you made mine last week. Market was moving as expected for almost all the pairs, especially dollar. Dollar felt actually from 110, we've got the drop. Most of you know that we're expecting that and we were screaming for this a few weeks ago anyway. So if I zoom out, before I start actually guys covering the pairs, this is what we'll cover anyway for today. All the lists that you can see the right side of the screen, the XY dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the lists step by step, pair by pair. All of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and keep watching till the end. This is our YouTube channel, by the way. You can find all our videos here in this channel. It's We Trade Waves, and all our official links are in the description under this video. So make sure to check the description, check our website, and make sure to keep watching till the end. So if I go back to the XY, this was a crazy forecast, by the way. I really hope most of you guys made money trading the dollar sell because 110 was the level that we're waiting for. I have covered this one more than once here on YouTube, and inside our live sessions, T was covering this for all our members step by step and level by level. So for this one, this was crazy. If you remember this one, guys, by the way, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. We said even before Trump came, we are expecting the XY to drop after reaching 110. This was a level, guys, before US elections. Those of you who don't believe that, you can actually go back to our previous forecasts or even check our monthly Q&A session archive once you join WW Pro. So for this one, this was a perfect level, and after that, market dropped even after Trump gets in the office. We said, guys, clearly to our members, those of you remember again, please give us thumbs up and leave a comment. We said, guys, after Trump gets in the office, we are expecting dollar to get weaker, dollar to fall, right? And this was crazy, by the way. Anyway, I'll go back to the daily chart just to show you the structure in detail once more. This was the structure, guys, we're waiting for, and we're actually monitoring internally. We've got this up wave, we've got this trap up, corrective structure up, and then this trap. This is the fractal nature of the market. And those of you who don't know what I'm talking about We Trade Waves wave analysis concept. It's, guys, the concept that you need to learn in order to become an independent, successful trader, because that's the, I would say, one of the best concepts that you can actually learn and be able to read what's next in the markets, predict the next wave. Yes, the next wave is predictable and you can read it. Any proof for that? Go to our YouTube channel and check all the videos one by one. You will see that. If I go back to this one just to show you the proof, if I go back to this was 2 weeks ago, guys, all right? By the way, those of you who cannot see actually the charts clearly, make sure to amend the settings to the 4K for the best resolution. Okay, so this was 2 weeks ago. We said, guys, one push up and then a drop. Last week we said also the XY is about to fall. Make sure to get in the sell if you are actually trading the XY. And thanks a lot for all of you guys who are liking and commenting on a weekly basis. This is a support to us, and this is why actually we are here every single week. So back to the charts. After this up wave, market gave us this trap and then this up move. This wave is completed now. This is a corrective structure. From here to here, it's a complete triangle flat in the bigger picture, and make sure actually, or be careful, guys, the structure might change. That's why you have to follow us on a weekly basis, step by step, wave by wave, all right? So for this one, we've got this trap, this was the move, and after this trap, this is what I explain now. This is the daily chart. I'll go back to the 4 hours. This trading view, by the way, we are using as a charting platform. So this was the first move of the next structure, okay? Can this be all in liquidity grab before market push one more up to break the top once more? Of course it can. But what we can see now is market to keep actually giving us a pullback or a corrective structure before the next drop. So for the XY, we're expecting market to drop more, to fall more after a pullback or after a corrective structure. Make sense? Now, from which level this will be falling? What will be the structure here? What levels actually will be monitoring? And if this will be one of our trades of the week or not? All of this will be covered in detail by T during the Sunday session that will be conducted for WW Pro members tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. If you want to get access to this one, guys, check our website to join WW Pro, and this way actually we get all the features of our program. Okay, so for this one, pull back before the next drop. This is what we can see for the XY. Euro dollar for this one, Euro dollar actually is exactly the same. Market went to the upside, and most of you know that we're expecting market to push up. I really hope, guys, all of you trade Euro dollar made man trading this up wave, because this was crazy. It was very good forecast, by the way, and as usual, it's our high accuracy. And after this up wave, what we'll expect next is market to give us a corrective structure and then one push up. This is the move and this is the wave. Alan, can the market actually give us one more drop here before the next up wave? Of course it can. Even if market will fall, we'll not actually sell this one. We'll be focusing only on the buy setups, and any buy setup we get, we will go for it. Any sell setup we get, we will ignore. Make sense? So for you dollar, we are only looking for the buy setups from after a pullback or after market breaking this low once more. This is possibility. It's not high probability chance actually for market to break this low, but if this happens, make sure to be in the buy. Okay? So in all the cases, we are looking for market to give us a corrective structure first, and then after that, a push up. Like I said, all the trades of the week will be given actually by T during the Sunday session for WW Pro members. Join WW Pro, guys, to get all the accesses actually of our program. Okay? So that's regarding euro dollar. Corrective structure, want to push up. Before I go to pound dollar, I just want to show you guys one thing. This is our Discord channel, by the way. This is the chance that you will get access to once you join WW Pro. And I just want to say congrats to Christian. He passed actually one of the funded challenges as well. Christian, we are proud of you. He is one of our moderators as well, and he conducts as well live trading room sessions for our members. So Christian, well done. You have done a great job anyway. So that's actually, guys, the Discord community that you will get access to once you join WW Pro. And if you want to get more details, this is our website. And by the way, you can subscribe here to get the free analysis on weekly basis. But the WW Pro is here. So if you click on WW Pro, this is all the features that you will get access to once you join WW Pro membership. Okay, so you can read it, you can search for it, you can actually read this one by one, you can scroll down to the FAQ section, and you can check all the pages on our website just to get an idea what you will get access to once you join WW Pro. Do not miss it, guys. A lot of things actually are covered in this one, and on a weekly basis, a lot of trades, daily live sessions, everything actually is inside once you join. Pound dollar for this one, market as well went as expected. Do you remember, guys, the buy zone? This was covered a few weeks ago. We said, guys, this is the buy zone. Do you remember that? Those of you remember this, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. I'm repeating, guys, all of this was before US elections results and before Trump actually gets in the office. All of this was actually covered by us before. Why do you think actually this is possible? Because of the experience and because of Free Trade Waves special wave answers concept. If you want to learn the same way, you can join us and get access to everything from day one, of course. So that was actually pound dollar. It was crazy. I love to trade pound dollar. Most of you know that. And this was euro dollar, by the way, last week. This is the before. And most of you know where euro dollar is at the moment. And if I go back to pound dollar, this was the pound dollar axis structure. We said even if market fall to the downside, one push up will be coming. In all the cases, pound dollar was a buy to us from even here. We said, guys, this is the buy zone. Wait for the market to break this low, and then you start to look for the buy setups. That's exactly what the market have done. If I go to the 4 hours now, and I just want to show you something here, we've got exactly what we're waiting for. This was the zone here. We've got this up wave, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. This was anyway a trend continuation setup. Just I'm showing you this one because this was a strategy that we have covered inside our course and inside our monthly Q&A sessions. Most of our members, they know how to trade this one and how to maximize profits. So instead of you jumping in, guys, and just don't know what you are doing or like where to enter, where to put stop loss and how to manage the trade, everything is covered inside WW Pro. You can anyway check it by yourself, what you will get access to and how you can manage the trades. If I just want to manage, guys, the pips here, this is more than 350 pips, just this small move to the upside. Imagine you can make here more than 5 to 1 in one single trade. That's all what you need. All right. So for this one, we've got this up wave, we've got a corrective structure up, corrective structure up. What's next? I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure for one more push up. Like I said, the structure can change and I can be wrong. That doesn't mean that I'll be losing my account, or that does mean that you should jump in and just try to gamble the next wave. That's not, guys, how trading works. You have actually to learn how to trade correctly in order to make money consistently. You have to make money on a monthly basis, not just one off. Okay, so for this one, even if market, I'm just going for the lower, I would say probability chance, even if market will fall to the downside once more, we are expecting, or like we'll expect market to go to the upside, and the sell setup will ignore. This is a low probability chance, guys. All right, I'm just giving you the options, or like what market can do, just to not lose your account in case market go otherwise. Okay, so for this one, corrective structure, one push up is what we are expecting next for pound dollar. Of course, the details of the levels, the structures will be covered by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Gold for this one, for this, we were wrong. I was expecting gold to fall. from these levels because I was having something else in mind, especially fundamentally, but gold decided to push to the upside. Again, just for the transparency, I'm just revealing this one, or like I'm just saying, we were wrong for gold, guys, all right? We're expecting this one to go to the downside. Instead, market went up. So we've got a corrective structure up, corrective structure up. For this one, what's next? We were having a change of structure here. Just to let you know regarding one structure or one thing that you have to pay attention to whilst you are trading, if you are expecting market to fall before breaking the top, and then after that you've got a break here and then a corrective structure, this is a trend continuation pattern. What I mean by that, I'll give you an example here. If you get this drop, up, corrective structure up, and from here you're expecting market to fall, instead market decide to give you one push up and then a corrective structure, this is a buy. This actually where most of the traders who are trading without stop loss, which is what we always say, do not trade without stop loss, guys. Most of the traders who trade without stop loss at this level, they should know, all right, now it's actually done. I need to close the trade. I need to get the loss and let the market unfold. Do not actually go to this extent. Make sure to follow the structure step by step and trade what you see, not what you feel. All right. So for trading, it's always about trading what you see, not what you feel. So for this one, I hope this is clear for you guys. Here we've got this up wave and then a corrective structure. At this point of the time, if you are in the sell without using stop loss, just in case some of you are doing that, at this point of the time, you should close the trade. Because this is a trend continuation pattern. Once the market will break the top and start to correct, slowly or like in small corrective structure, this is a trend continuation pattern. Make sense? I hope this is clear. So after this up wave, what we're expecting next is market to give us a corrective structure downwards. If we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. Okay, so corrective structure downside, another push up because the structure here have changed. This was an expanding flat. It was clear to us. A lot of our members actually were trading this one to the upside. They made money trading this uptrend, but above this top, we're waiting market to give us a drop. Instead, market decided to push the upside, and now the structure has changed for what? If we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. Is that it, guys? That's regarding gold. Of course, geopolitics actually will play a big role here. So keep following. We will cover anyway all the fundamental events tomorrow at the start of the Sunday session. Do not miss it because remember, the levels will be shared tomorrow for you. Aussie dollar for this one is exactly like the other pairs. We said here market will break the low and then give us this push up. Not only this low, if I go to the daily chart, this low, this is the low I'm talking about, this one. Okay, so we've got this break here, liquidity grab under this one, and then market start to push to the upside. We said to you guys, Aussie dollar is a buy, right? You should remember that. And most of you remember this forecast. Again, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. For this one, after this up wave, we are expecting now market to give us what? A corrective structure. I'm just zooming in here just to show you the structure in detail. We're expecting market to give us a corrective structure and then another push up for Aussie dollar. Any buy setup we get, we'll go for it. And if you are in the buy, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. All right, guys? New Zealand dollar for this one, exactly the same. We've got this up wave, corrective structure up. What's next? Corrective structure here before the next up move. We are still expecting market to push to the upside. In case we get a change of structure, guys, we'll update you during the week. Because again, if I go back, guys, to this just to show you something here, you will get weekly live sessions. This is every Sunday. You will get midweek update and you will get daily live sessions as well. Of course, with the monthly Q&A sessions as well. So almost daily live sessions you will get inside the Discord community and inside the dashboard once you join. I'm not sure if actually you want to miss that because this way we'll cover all the trades, most of the setups and most of the trades are covered here step by step, one by one. So for the sessions, this is where they will be posted inside this one and you will get access, like I said, from day one once you join WW Pro. So for this, corrective structure, another push up. Dorian for this one, market actually is exactly in the same level like last week. We are getting a change of structure here. What's next? This actually up, pull back, up, pull back. We can get one push up before the next drop. So Dorian, the structure can extend here and this wave, it can give us one more drop after a pullback. Make sense? So Dorian, we are expecting market to give us one push up before the next drop. That's the structure and that's the forecast for now after the structure that market is giving us. Okay, dollar Swiss for this one, market actually is giving us a corrective structure and we are expecting now this to give us a correction before the next drop. This structure, we do not think market is actually ready to push to the upside. A corrective structure is needed before the next structure. So for dollar Swiss, next is a corrective structure before the next drop for now. Dollar CAD is actually exactly the same. If I go and just zoom in here just to show you the structure in detail, market is giving us this sideways move. But this sideways move is not actually something just random. It's market is building structure and building liquidity. So this liquidity is taking here above this top. What's next? A corrective structure before the next drop. I'm expecting dollar CAD to drop, guys. If we get a corrective structure, a pullback, we'll go for the sell setups. We are not interested in any buy setup anyway. From which level? This will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session. USOIL for this one, this was again perfect. We've got this pullback. If I go back again to the before and after just to show you, this was pound dollar and this was again the buy zone, as if you remember. And then if I go to this was Aussie dollar, again as you remember here 2 weeks ago we said market will break the low and then push back up. Again guys, crazy accuracy, almost 90%, and actually this all what you need in order to get the bias, in order to get the direction, and all the strategies will be covered inside the course anyway. So that's regarding the Aussie dollar. If I go to USOIL, look at this one. We said market will be falling, and that's exactly what market have done, right? By the way, this is 6 days ago, as you can see, and this on our YouTube channel. You can check the proof by yourself if you go to our YouTube channel. So for this one, we've got this pullback, this drop, this is the first wave of the next structure, by the way. The next move for this, if you get in the sell, you must have made money, and the next move is a corrective structure upwards before the next drop. That's what we can see market will be doing next for USOIL. If you want to go, guys, for the buy setup, is up to you. I'll zoom in here. If you want to go for the buy setup here, is up to you as a short-term trade. But if you get a pullback as a corrective structure, this is the next fall and that's the next drop. All right. Bitcoin for this one, market is moving as expected. You remember we're bullish, and this was the complete structure here as expected, and market went to the upside. What's next? All what the market is doing now is a corrective structure. Market is just spending time here before going back up and break this top and this top once more. We are still bullish for Bitcoin. Market will push to the upside, and any buy setup we get, we'll go for it. The levels, like I said, we'll cover by T during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Guys, do not miss this session because it's 2 hours and probably 30-minute sessions usually. We cover all the pairs. We start from the fundamentals to the majors, to the exotic pairs, to the indices, to the stocks, and all your requests. It's a live session. You can ask any question you want about any pair and about any stock. All right. So that's something you don't have to miss if you want to actually trade the next week and make money. US30 for this one, market went to the upside as expected. We said to you after Trump gets in the office, we are expecting stock market to push to the upside, and even this was a potential running or expanding flat. That's why fundamentally, guys, you have to follow step by step, and that's why we combine fundamental analysis with wave analysis concept. Why this is important? Because once fundamentals actually will show you something, most of the times fundamentals actually will cause volatility in the market, but market always follow a certain direction defined by a structure. What I mean by that, this was a clear uptrend, and we said US30 is a buy. It's in an uptrend anyway. This is a buy setup. This is actually an uptrend, and market will just give us a pullbacks and up again. This is exactly what market was doing, and this is exactly what we were expecting anyway. Again, guys, all of you are new to Weighted Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and go back, watch some of our previous forecasts. You will see all of this by yourself anyway. I go to the 4 hours now, and for this one, if we get a corrective structure, or this is what we're expecting, a corrective structure before the next up wave. Correction or pullback before the next up wave for US30. US30 is still a buy to us. Even some of the analysts were expecting this one to be a liquidity grab here for this liquidity pool, but we can see this one differently. For this, we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure for another push up. I think, guys, this was all from my side. I really hope most of you made money trading last week regarding the dollar weakness. And again, all of you guys who want to jump to the next level, you can join our program, this WW Pro. And if you go to the homepage, this is actually where you can check what is included in WW Pro, and you can scroll down and see all the features here, and you can check every single page of Weighted Waves anyway. So these are all the features, guys, that you will get access to. I really hope you get a great trading week, guys. You trade with care, and see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.